Hi folks, here's my HQ100. I've been working on it. I put a crystal calibrator in it. I'll show you the crystal calibrator real quick while it's warming up. Let me turn the audio down. It's a Viking Johnson. Before I purchased it, the seller on eBay posted the schematic and the specs, and it's I liked what I saw, so I went with it. Fits in right here. It's the same as the Hammarlund. Let me show you how I installed it. Flip this up here. You see it fits in just like the Hammarlund. Two sheet metal screws there. Where's my the insulated pokey tool? The wires come out here and feeds to the antenna and ground. And here's where I pick up B+. It comes down here. Now I replaced the sensitivity pot with this 10K sensitivity pot with a pull switch. With a pull switch. Come on, pull. There it is. Instead of putting a switch on the back, which you can't reach. And it's a 10K. Use the original knob. I got the original pot put away. It wires in just like the Hammarlund. It works. It's a little off frequency. I got to play with it a little bit. It's got a tweak pot in it. It'll give me something to do and have fun with. I'll show it to you real quick that it works, how it works. Before I button this up, so I just pull the knob to. Now you're not supposed to have this up to. You're supposed to turn the audio down to do this, but I got this idea for the install off of a guy on eBay. So you pull the knob. Can you hear that? They're there. Through there. It's working. Anyway, oh, I was doing some sideband stuff. So let me get back to where I was. Anyway. Anyway, it works. Nice clean installation. Works off this switch right here. And onward and upward to other things. I hope the Hammarlund guys aren't too mad with me because it's not a Hammarlund pot, or a Hammarlund unit, but at least I didn't modify the radio to do this. Subscribe to the channel below, post comments. Thanks for watching. Be safe and take care of yourself.